on a keto diet? You hungry for something? For something sweet? Let's see what we got here in the pantry. Got my sweetener, got my almond flour. Let's see what's in the fridge. Butter. I haven't had berries in a while. Cream cheese, an egg. Hey, check this out. I got a bowl here. Alright, so let's get some butter. I don't want to break that open. I already got this. Put this in here. So I got cream cheese and butter. The cream cheese tends to pop and stuff, so I'm just going to lay this on top and put it in for 30 seconds or less. Just watch it splatters everywhere. Alright, let's try that just a little bit differently. Alright, there we go. That's good enough. Alright. I'm adding erythritol to it. This is about a 1/3 cup, a little bit less, and some almond flour. I mix it right up in the bowl, and I add 1 egg. And this is going to make the best cake you've ever had. Just put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. Guilt-free ice cream, 0 sugar, 6 net carbs, and berries. I put on blackberries, but you can put on raspberries, well, you know, whatever floats your boat. Now, this is so good. The cake is hot, so be very careful, but biting into this cold ice cream and this hot cake, man, this is the best keto dessert ever. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let me know in the comments below, what do you think of keto cake and ice cream?